Welcome! We are delighted to introduce our new course on Artificial Intelligence in Digital Pathology for Diagnostic Innovation.
We are both professors of immunology and pathology at the Department of Molecular Biotechnology and Health Sciences of the University of Turin.
Pathology is undergoing a true revolution. Slides are no longer limited to microscope, they can be scanned, shared, and analyzed digitally.
Artificial intelligence adds an extra dimension, supporting diagnostic, quantifying biomarkers, and helping us explore the tumor microenvironment with more accuracy.
In this course, you will learn the fundamental of tissue preparation, digital workflows, and image analysis.
You will also discover advanced tools like multiplex imaging and AI-based applications in tumor grading and biomarker discovery.
We will guide you through real case studies, highlighting both the opportunities and the ethical challenges of using AI in diagnostics.
This course is designed for master students, PhD students, and for all those curious about how digital tools are transforming pathology.
Join us
And get ready to explore the future of diagnostic innovation with AI in digital pathology.